What does it take to build a billion-dollar business? Most people think you need funding, luck, and timing. But what if the real answer is something deeper? Peter Thiel, the co-founder of PayPal and an early investor in Facebook, believed that the secret lies in creating something truly unique, not copying others, but creating something new. That is what he called going from 0 to 1. This video is not just a summary of his book, it is a complete roadmap to building a billion-dollar company from scratch. If you stay with me till the end, you will have clarity, inspiration, and a mindset shift that can change your future. Let's begin. Chapter 1, the challenge of the future. Thiel open with a big idea. The future does not just happen, we build it. We have two kinds of progress. Horizontal progress, 1 to null. Copying what works, like opening another restaurant or building a faster car. Vertical progress, 0 to 1. Creating something entirely new. A breakthrough. Key insight. If you want to build something massive, don't compete, create. Example, Google did not become huge by improving on Yahoo. It built a better search algorithm that changed the internet. Lesson. Ask yourself what valuable company is no one building. Chapter 2, Party Like It, 1999. Thiel talk about the dot-com crash of the early 2000s. The world saw that growth, hype, and big ideas without education can lead to disaster. So people began to avoid big vision. But Thiel says that was a mistake. To build a billion-dollar company, you still need a bold vision, strong foundation, clear thinking. Takeaway. Don't fear big ideas. Just be smarter and more disciplined than the dreamer who failed. Chapter 3. All happy companies are different. Here is one of the Thiel's most important lessons. Monopoly is the condition of every successful business. Most people think monopolies are bad, but Thiel says that all great business, Google, Apple, Amazon, are monopolized in their own way. They dominate their space. They build a moat so strong that no one can touch them. Wrong approach, competing in a crowded space. Right approach, creating something no one else is doing, then owning that category. Chapter 4, the ideology of competition. Thiel warned, don't compete, compete and you die. People are obsessed with competition in a school, business, life, but competition kill profit. The smartest entrepreneur don't fight, they innovate and escape the fight. Quote, if you cannot beat a rival, don't enter the race. Chapter 5, Last Mover Advantage. Forget first mover advantage. What you really want is last mover advantage. Being the final dominant player in your space. How? Start small and dominate a niche. Scale only after you own that niche. Build a product 10x better than what exit. Example, Amazon start with just book. Facebook start at Harvard. Lesson, start small, think big, scale smart. Chapter 6, You Are Not a Lottery. Thiel attacked the idea that success is all about luck. He believed in definite optimism, the idea that we can shape the future with clear vision and deliberate action. Mindset shift. Don't leave your future to chance. Create it. Takeaway. Billion-dollar business are built by people who believe they are meant to succeed and who take control of that success. Chapter 7. Follow the money. To build a billion-dollar company, you must understand how value is created and captured. It is not enough to create something people love. You must also build a model that makes money. Thiel advised, build something hard to copy, build a strong brand, build a distribution advantage, sell plus scale, capture long-term value. Chapter 5, Secret. Great business are built on secret truths that are hidden or unpopular. Thiel says every great business is built around a secret that is hidden from the outside world. How to find secret. Look for things everyone accept but that might be wrong. Question common wisdom. Observe where thinking feel broken and fix them in a unique way. Chapter 9 Foundation. Startup fail when the foundation is weak. You must get three things right from the start. Number 1. The right co-founder. Number 2. Clear ownership, role and responsibilities. Number 3. A mission everyone believe in. Thiel warned, avoid unnecessary drama. Misalignment in the early stage kill the company later. Chapter 10 The Machine of Mafia. Peter Thiel called PayPal early team a mafia, not in a criminal sense, but a loyal, mission-driven tribe. A strong team culture creates trust, loyalty, and speed. Hiring tip. Don't just hire skill. Hire people who believe what you believe. Example. PayPal early team went on to build Tesla, LinkedIn, YouTube, and more. Chapter 11. If you build it, will they come? Having a great product is not enough. You also need a great distribution strategy. A way to get it into people's hands. Thiel strategy, personal sale for big ticket item, viral growth for small product, business development for partnership. Lesson, don't ignore sale. It is the oxygen for your startup. Chapter 12, Man and Machine. Don't fear AI, leverage it. Thiel believe the best companies combine human plus machine, not one replacing the other. Example, PayPal used AI to detect fraud, but human reviewed the result. Chapter 3 Seeing Green. Thiel used clean tech, green energy startup as an example of how not to build a business. Weak product, no market, no profit. The lesson, don't build a company just because it sounds good. Build something that solves a real problem in a unique way. Final thought. The founder paradox. Founders are strange people. They break rules, see the future and take huge risks. But that is exactly what it takes to go from 0 to 1. If you want to build a billion-dollar business, you need courage, vision, focus, and the willingness to do what no one else is doing. If this breakdown give you a new perspective, subscribe for more book driven wisdom. And remember, don't complete great. That is how you build a future that matters. Thank you so much.